Dial 1 Canada. With lots of contractors calling Courtice home, it's no wonder that the HVAC system in your property could be vastly different from others. Fortunately, being able to work on diverse HVAC setups is one of Dial 1 Canada's core strengths. Owner and founder Joe Henhawke takes a personal approach to the growth and daily operation of Dial 1. Joe personally trains each staff member in our proprietary processes. It is this practice that ensures the consistent quality of our services to the highest industry levels. Our talented technicians have the experience to understand what's going on with your particular situation and the ability to provide the best possible solution efficiently and effectively. For more information, please visit our website, www.dialone.cleaning.com, or contact us through phone 905-926-3884. You can visit our office, 110 Centerfield Drive, Courtice, on L1E1L4. Dial 1 Canada.